Hello, lovely friends. Welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you Ghana green soup. You can also call it Ebunaebunu Nkwan or Kontomire soup. Let's get right into it. I have 3 to 4 pounds of beef with bones. I'll season it with ginger, garlic, onion, chili powder, aniseed, black pepper, beef seasoning, and salt. I'll rub the seasoning on the meat, and this is how it should look. I'll pan spray my aluminum lined tray and then transfer the meat on the tray. I'll low broil this at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. To a pot, I'll add in my green tomatoes, onion, turkey berries, green habanero peppers, water. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes or until the vegetables are soft. Then I'll remove it from heat, allow it to cool down before blending. To begin the soup, I have cured salted beef, salted fish or superku, herring, and my pre-cooked salted pig feet. I'll add in my crabs, chopped onion. I'll add a bit of water, cover it, and allow it to steam just for about 5 minutes. Whilst that is steaming, I'll go ahead and blend my cooked vegetables. I'll add in ginger and garlic, and then I'll blend until very smooth. With the help of a strainer, I'll strain the vegetables into the soup, and you need a silicone spoon or a wooden spoon to speed up the straining process. I'll rinse out my blender and add it directly into the strainer to extract more of the goodness out of the vegetables. Now that the straining process is done, I'll add in my dry catfish and then I'll allow the soup to boil for about 20 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe and be part of this family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support and for always sharing and commenting on my videos. God bless you all. My meat is perfectly broiled. I'll remove it from the tray and then put it in the soup. I'll then come in with my snails and mushrooms. There is no Ghana Ebunaebunu Nkwan or green soup without snails. I also went ahead and added in my Aiden fruit or Prekese and my green habanero peppers. I'll allow the soup to boil for 15 more minutes. I went ahead to bring a pot of water to a boil and I have washed my spinach thoroughly. I'll add the spinach to the boiling water. I'll cover and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough to steam the spinach or to wilt the spinach down. We still want the nutrient in the soup, guys, so do not overcook your spinach. I'll remove it from heat, allow it to cool just for 5 minutes, and then I'll blend it very smoothly. At this point in time, the soup is looking good and it is perfectly cooked. I'll go ahead and add in my blended spinach. I'll give it a good mix and I'll allow this to boil for 5 minutes. The spinach is already cooked, the soup is already cooked, so there's no need to overcook the soup. And this is the consistency that I'm looking for. I won't be adding any salt or star cube to the soup. The salted fish and everything salted that I started the soup with already has enough salt. And my beef was very well seasoned, so the soup didn't need any extra salt. We'll be enjoying the soup with fufu. Yes, plantain fufu. And dinner is ready. This was a Sunday special, guys. And the soup was out of this world. It was so delicious. This is one of the best soups that you can ever make for your family. My children loves this, especially the snails in the soup. I hope you give this a try. And if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer you. And please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Until I come your way next time, please stay blessed and stay safe. God bless you.